Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a installer script for your Python projects for GNU Linux, and also solve a little problem that you may have. So please watch the video until the end, like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so one of my friends, Erfan, made a new project with Python named Hesab, and he needed an installer. So I challenged myself to make an installer for the project. The project is in GitHub. Check it out. It's really cool if you're Persian. The link is in the description. And I came up with this shell script. Okay, I'm going to zoom a little bit. This part is added by Irfan, and I'm going to show you how it works completely. First, echo. You know what that means? It just prints something. And look at this, it goes to .local/share to store the project and its files itself. This is added by Irfan. The main part is this, but it checks if Hesab already exists in .local/share, and if it does, it's going to git pull, so it's going to update it. But the main part is this, that it clones the Hesab git repository and CDs into it. So we made a folder in .local/share named Hesab. Okay, we make a VM, activate it, and install the requirements in it. But this part is important, and the problem I was telling you. The problem is now we can't just move the Hesab Python app that has a shebang, so it's kind of executable, to the path. We can't just do that. Why? Because we have a VM and it's not going to run from the VM, and it's not going to have its requirements, so it's not going to work. But what we did here was a really cool thing. Instead of moving Hesab itself to the path, we use this folder as the path that is local for your user, and you don't need super user privileges for it. We assume this is in your path, but it's going to be better, I think, if we add a check here in the installer itself. We put this shell script into Hesab in the path, and what this does, as you can see, it activates the VM and CDs to Hesab in .local/share and runs Hesab. But this part is important. If we just run Hesab, if we don't even have this, just let me even show you. I think I have Hesab installed right now, so I'm going to remove it. And -rf .local wait, what? I'm here. Okay. cd -rf .local bin Hesab, yes, and .local share Hesab, it's a folder, we have rf. Okay, if we install it like this, let me show you what happens. You probably guessed what happens. We will wait until it gets installed. Okay, and it's installed. So we run Hesab. It says you need to give it commands. We run like Hesab list. It doesn't work. Why? Sorry. Because we give the parameters to this Hesab shell script. In fact, we can look at it. .local home .local/bin/Hesab. This is the script. I'm running vim in VS Code. This is the script, and it's running Hesab, but it's not giving it the parameters we gave it. So Hesab doesn't get any parameters and doesn't work. This part is the part that solves our problems. This gives any parameters given to the shell script to Hesab. So if we just do this two remove commands again. Wait, what? Okay, we can do them again. Okay. rm-rf .local. I think we're in a new terminal because of that. Yeah, we were here. Okay. and local share as well. Okay, I can kill this terminal. And now if we install it again, install, we will wait a second. Don't worry, if it takes long, I'm going to make it faster. And okay, now if we do hesab, for example, add, it's going to work. Add like something for 2,000, no, 2 million. Okay, 2 million. 2 million. Okay, added something with 2 million. Is this correct? Yeah, it is. I know math, I swear. So if we do hesab list now, as you can see, it's going to work, but it's in Persian and VS Code's terminal doesn't support Persian for some reason, so it's not going to show up here. And we wrote this symbol script and we put it in the repository, and let me just show you how Erfan wrote the readme to get this script and install it. Wait. Okay. Okay. Here it's Persian, but I'm going to translate it for you. It says installation and usage, and it says to put and write this in your terminal and press enter. And as you can see, it just uses curl or curl to get this script from this GitHub repo and run it with bash, yeah. And as you can see, this is the manual install, but why use the manual install when you can do this? There are reasons. It's for development probably, but for the normal user it's easier to do this. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to put the hesab repo and the script itself in the description of this video. Please again like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.